The things that you'll be needing are so simple. First, all you need is some lotion. This is the type of lotion I use. I'm sure any type of lotion will work. Also be needing some flour. You will need a clean container to mix your slime in. And you'll also want something to mix. I like to use a fork as well as a container that's kind of more flat and laid out. Okay, so taking your container and your flour, I'm just gonna start by adding 1 scoop of flour. And honestly, there aren't really measurements to this because depending on the type of lotion that you use, it can kind of alter how much flour to lotion that you need. So I'm just going to be adding some and stirring. You definitely need more flour than lotion, so I like to usually start out with a lot of flour and just a little bit of lotion. And I'm just going to be stirring this. And you can see how it begins to clump a little bit in some areas. Okay, so I definitely need more lotion because it is really dry right now. So I like to just kind of move all the slime and flour into one corner. And I'm gonna add more lotion. This is all trial and error every time I make it. I just kind of do the trial and error type of thing, adding a little more lotion together at once. And you can see it's becoming a little more like moist. So I'm going to start using my hands to kind of get a feel for the slime so far. So this part can be a little messy, so definitely make sure you have like napkins or a sink nearby. So I'm trying to kind of clean off whatever's in my container. Okay, so I have this in my hand right now, and it feels like it might be a little too moist. So I'm just going to add the tiniest bit of flour to this, just a little, and I'm going to fold that into what I have so far. Alrighty, so I like the consistency of my slime to be a little thicker, like almost like Play-Doh, but this is definitely a little different from Play-Doh. But if you want it to be, I guess, more liquidy, you can just go in and add more lotion. Now, if you want your slime to be more fluffy, which is what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take my piece of slime and my fork, which is why I like to mix with a fork. You can kind of like poke it, and stabbing holes in it will kind of create these air pockets and kind of like aerate your slime a little bit and make it a little more fluffy. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more easy DIYs.